Question number 9 will start from question number 9. It is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. So this is what we have. So what I will do is basically I will try to simplify the sides first, then I will try to do some operations. So first we can see is that in the left hand side we can do the LCM and we can solve this one, simplify this one. So what we have in here, the LCM is 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than 11. So once we got that 6 in the denominator, so I need to remove the fraction part. So how to do that? I will do the operation, that is multiply by 6. So I will be multiplying both sides by 6. So what do we have? 6x, 9x, 11x. We have this side 11x and this side we have 66. Then what I will do is, then I have to remove this 11. 11 is multiplied with x. So how do I remove it? I will divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6. So if I divide by 11, not 6. Divide by 11 because we are removing 11, right? So it becomes x and this becomes 6. So therefore the value of x lies between, x is less than 6. So less than 6 means what? The maximum value is 6. The maximum value is 6 and the minimum value is minus infinity. So the brackets will be open bracket. Here there is no equal to sign, so open bracket. So x is less than 6. Always remember this thing. When x is less than 6, the maximum value is 6 and the minimum value is minus infinity. So let's move on to our next question. What we have is question number 10 will be homework. It is same as that. You just have to do the LCM, then you have to simplify. Let's do question number 11. So question number 11, what we have is 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. So this is what we have. So we have to figure out how to do this one. So first thing what I see is that the fractions are 3 and 5. So what I will do is I will try to remove the fraction. My main motive is to try to remove the fraction. And how do I remove these fractions? The best way to remove the fractions is multiplying by the LCM, both sides. So I see that LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So I will multiply by 15 both sides. So if I multiply by 15, what you get here is 15 into, so 5 and 3 gets cancelled. So we have 9 x minus 2. And if I multiply 15 in here, so 3 and 15 gets cancelled, so we have 5. So we have 25 2 minus x. If you have problem, then you can do simply more steps. So you can write like this: 15 into 3 x minus 2. Look, there is no harm in writing more steps. Why? Because if you write more steps, then the possibility of getting it wrong is far less, but it will take some time. But if you are confident, if you practice too much, then you can do it directly. Okay, directly like this. You can skip this step, but once you are very, very confident about this, or else don't try, because you try in shorter time and you get it wrong, then what's the benefit of it? So now we'll just remove the bracket. So we have 9x minus 18. This one is what? 50 minus 25x. This is what we have. So you see, the bigger x is 9x, not minus 25x. So bigger x is 9x. So what I will do is, in the left hand side we have the biggest coefficient of x. So I will try to keep the x in the left hand side. So how to remove the x from the right hand side? It is minus 25x. So what I will do, I will add 25x both sides. So add 25x. So I'm adding 25x. So what happens if I add 25x? So what happens is that we get 25x plus 9x. It becomes 34x minus 18 less than equal to 50. Minus 25x plus 25x goes away. So this is what we have. Now after looking at this, I see that in the left hand side there is minus 18. So what I will do, I will add both sides by 18. So add 18. So I'm adding both sides by 18. So what do I get? 34x. And this side, if I add 50 with 18, I get 68. Now 34x I see. So x is multiplied with 34. I need to remove 34. So what I will do? I will divide by 34. Divide 34. So it becomes x less than equal to 68 by 34 is 2. So we have x less than equal to 2. So here x will be, therefore x will be an element of what? X is less than equal to 2. So it will be 2 minus infinity. And since an equal to sign is there, so the bracket will be like this. And in the minus infinity side, it will be open bracket always. Okay, this is question number 11. Let's do question number 12. So question number 12, what we have is half 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. So this is what we have. Okay, so before doing the LCM of the outside thing, we see there is a problem inside. There is a problem inside here. So let us first do the LCM inside. Okay, because when I am starting to remove the fractions, I will remove it completely. Because if I try to multiply both sides by 6, the fractions of the outside gets removed. But what about the inside 5? Okay, so my main motive is to remove the fractions all at once. So what I will do is I will take LCM inside. So what I have 1 by 2, so it becomes 3x plus 20 divided by 5 greater than equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. So here what we see, there are three numbers 2, 5 and 3, and the LCM of 2, 5 and 3 is what? It is 30. So I will multiply both sides by 30. Multiply by 30. So if I multiply by 30, here you said 10. You can see 10 in here, right? So 30 and 10, so we get 3. So 3, it becomes 3x plus 20, and this becomes what? Greater than equal to 30. If I multiply 3 and 30 goes away, so we have 10. So we have x minus 6 in here. So what we have is 9x plus 60 is greater than equal to 10x minus 60. This is what we have. So after getting this, I will see the bigger x lies in the right hand side. So I will try to take all the x in the right hand side. And how to do that? So I need to remove the x part in the left hand side. So how to do? I will just subtract 9x both sides. So subtract 9x. So if I subtract 9x in the left hand side, there will be no 9x because 9x goes away. So we have 60 greater than equal to, so 10x minus 9x becomes x minus 60. Now we have, in the right hand side we have minus 60 in there. So I have to remove minus 60. And how can I remove minus 60? I will add 60. Now if I add 60, what I get? 60 plus 60 is 120 greater than equal to, and that will be x, because if I add 60, that minus 60 goes away. So x is less than equal to 120. So x is an element of what? If you have a problem with this, you just write like this: x is less than equal to 120. It's the same thing. Okay, so x is an element of, again, minus infinity, 120, open bracket, close bracket, like this. Now we move on to our next question. So what is the next question? Question number 12 is done. Question number 13 will be homework for you guys. Let's do question number 14. Question number 14. So what we see in 14 is 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than equal to 9x minus 8 x minus 3. This is what we have. So now what I will do is, now we have to solve this thing. So first thing what I see is the brackets. So first I will remove the brackets. So what I have, 37 minus 3x minus 5 greater than equal to 9x minus 8x plus 24. So let us simplify this one further. So 37 minus 5, that gives you 32 minus 3x, and this side we have x plus 24. So obviously you see in the right hand side the x coefficient is more than the left hand side. So what I will do is I will try to remove the x part in the left hand side. Now how to do? It's minus 3x. So how to remove minus 3x? I will add 3x. So add 3x. So if I add 3x, we have 32 in here, and that is greater than equal to, so if I add 3x with x, I get 4x plus 24. So this is what we have. Now we have 24 in the right hand side where there is x. So how to remove 24? I will subtract 24 both sides. So if I subtract 32 minus 24 is your 8, greater than equal to, this one is your 4x, and 24 goes away because we are subtracting by 24, and then we have 4x. So how to remove this 4? I will divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4. So if I divide by 4, we have 2 greater than equal to x. So basically it is 2. This is it. So the range is what? X is an element of minus infinity 2. This is what we have. Question number 14. So let's go into the new page and let us do question number 14 is done. So let's start with question number, question number 15 is homework. Let's do question number 16. So what we have in question number 16 is 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. This is what we have. So what I see is that the LCM of the three numbers 3, 4, 5, that is 60. So my main idea will be to multiply both sides by 60. So let's do it. Multiply by 60. So if I do that thing, so 60 divided by 3, it gives 20. So 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 60 divided by 4 gives you 15. So 15, 3x minus 2, and 60 divided by 5 gives you 12. So we have 12, 2 minus x. So this is what we have. Now let us remove the brackets. So what you get, 40x minus 20 greater than equal to 45x minus 30 minus 24 plus 12x. So this is what you have. Let us simplify further. So it's 40x minus 20 greater than equal to 45x, 12x, that gives us 57x. Then minus 30 minus 24, that gives us minus 54. So this is what we have. So first thing what we see in the left hand side, sorry, in the right hand side, the coefficient of x is more. So I will keep the x part in the right hand side only. So I will subtract both sides by 40. So I will do what? Subtract by 40 x. So once I subtract by 40, so this side we have minus 20 because 40x goes away. Why? Because we are subtracting by 40x. And this side we have 17x because 57 minus 40 is 17. So minus 54. Now what we have to do is we have to remove this 54. So how to remove minus 54? I will add 54 both sides. So I will add 54. So 54 minus 20, that gives you 34 greater than equal to, and here we have 17x. Now we have 17 multiplied with x, so we have to remove the 17. So I will divide both sides by 17. Divide by 17. So if I divide by 17, what we have, this one is 2 greater than equal to x, or else we can write it as x less than equal to 2. Actually we have been getting just the same answer again and again. Yeah, it doesn't matter. If my method is correct, my answer will also be correct. So this is what we got for question number 16. Okay, then what we have, solve the inequalities in exercise 17 to 20 and show the graph of its solution in each case on a number line. So let's do question number 17. So we have to draw a number line in here and we have to show us the solution. So let us see. So question number 17, let's start. We have 3x minus 2 less than equal to, there is no difference in here. The only added part is that we just have to draw the number line and we have to show the solution on the number line. So what I have to do is, again we see the same thing, 3x is more, the left hand side coefficient of x is more, so I will subtract 2x both sides. So I will subtract 2x both sides. So we get x minus 2, and this side we get what? 1. And see, in the left hand side we have minus 2, so we have to add both sides by 2. So I will add 2 both sides, so we get x less than equal to 3. So x is less than equal to 3, so x is an element of, it will be minus infinity to 3. And since I have to draw the number line, so what I will do is, I will just draw a number line. Here we have minus infinity, here we have infinity, and here we have 0. Now it's minus infinity to 3, right? So what I will do is, 3, we have 1 in here, we have 2 in here, and we have 3 in here. Now we see a closed bracket in 3, so if it's closed bracket, we have to enclose a circle. Okay, what do I mean by that? So suppose I have 2 to 3 open bracket, so this one will be denoted as like this. Suppose this one is 2 and this one is 3, this one will be open, and this is 2 to 3, this region is 2 to 3. Now if it is like this, closed 2 to 3, then what happens? If it is closed 2 to 3, then we have, this one is 2, this one is 3, then what we have is, this one not be hollow anymore, it will be like this. It means what? The point 2 is also included, so here 3 is also included, so what we have is like this. And then it will be, you just darken the line and give it an arrow in here, to prove that the value is approaching towards minus infinity. So that's how we do this question number 17. It's easy, it's the same thing, all we have to do is that draw the number line. So let me directly go into question number 20. Question number 20. So question number 20, what we have is x by 2 not less than equal to, is just less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3, then minus of 7x minus 3 divided by 5. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 5? It is 30. So we will multiply both sides by 30. So we have here multiply by 30. So if I multiply by 30, what do we get? Here 30 by 2 is 15. So we have 15x and less than equal to, if I multiply by 30 in here, so we have 10, 5x minus 2, and if I multiply by 30, we have minus 6, 7x minus 3. So this is what we have. Now we have here, now we just simplify, remove the brackets. So 15x less than 50x minus 20, then we have minus 42x plus 20, plus 18, then what we have is 15x less than 8x minus 2. Now what we will do is, we have to remove this 8x because 15x is more, so my next operation will be subtract 8x both sides. So if I subtract 8x both sides, we have 15x minus 8x, that gives us 7x, and 8x goes away, so we have minus 2. So we have, now we will divide by 7, so divide by 7. So what we have, x less than minus 2 by 7. So this is what we have. So let us draw the number line. So I will draw the number line. We have the point 0, we have the point infinity going towards infinity, and we have here minus infinity. So it is minus 2 by 7. Now what is minus 2 by 7? Basically we have minus 1. Okay, this side. Minus 2 by 7 means, suppose if I divide this region into 7 parts. Suppose I divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I do like this, minus 2 by 7 will be here. Minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 7. Actually, we have to divide it by 6 parts because, wait a second. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's okay. So what we have is, this one is the region which signifies minus 2 by 7. Look at here. This is 0, this is minus 1 by 7, this is minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, and minus 7 by 7 is what? It's just minus 1. So that's why we have to divide the region 0 to minus 1 into 7 parts, and then we will take we have to just into 7 equal parts by taking 6 small divisions, and minus 2 by 7 we have. So my region will be, it will go like, starting from here, it will be arrow like this, and it will be hollow, it won't be closed, it will be hollow because equal to sign is not there. Okay, so question number 20 from 21 we'll do in class tomorrow.